Hey there fellow car nerds, welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with a new kit car vehicle video showcasing some of the hottest vehicles available for sale across North America this week. You'll find links in the video description below for each of these vehicles. Alright, enough talk, let's get on with today's kit car vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1933 Ford Roadster listed for $26,000 US in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. Its condition is listed as used like new and from the seller's description. 1933 Factory 5 Ford Roadster on a C3 Corvette chassis. And next up we have this 1959 Lotus 7 listed for $22,500 US in Clinton, Wisconsin. It's been driven 2,100 miles, has a manual transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, this Lotus 7 kit has been meticulously built, brand new 2.5 EcoBoost, custom header, 5-speed trans, quick throw shifter, Mustang rack and pinion, Mustang rear end, $22,500 or best offer, possible trades. Alright, here we have a 1999 Jurassic Truck Company Hummer T-Rex, listed for $13,000 US in Bertram, Texas. It has an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, a rare Jurassic T-Rex Hummer kit car, only 115 built, no trades, new Vortec 350 with Edelbrock carb, needs some work to straighten up the fuel lines but runs strong and drives good. Body sits on an 80 Suburban frame, transmission is a TH350, 4x4, $13,000 or best offer. Okay, here we have a 1966 Ford Cobra, listed for $45,000 US in League City, Texas. It's been driven 500 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in excellent condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, 66 Cobra, hand-laid body, Ford Mustang GT chassis, Restore 302 Ford 5-liter engine, new alternator, battery, seals, gaskets, new calipers all around, new rear rotors. And here we have a Dune Buggy, listed for $11,500 US in Aurora, Colorado. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description: 1971 Buggy Ink body on shortened VW bug pan, new 15x10 wheels and tires in the back, front 15x4 with new tires too, strong running 1915 motor with Italian Webers, Gene shifter, open to trade for aluminum trailer. Hey everyone, I just want to interject for 30 seconds here. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Alright, let's get back to the vehicles. Okay, here we have a 1934 Ford truck, listed for $35,000 US in Phoenix, Arizona. It's been driven 14,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and is listed in good condition. From the seller's description: this is a kit car, has a 383 stroker engine and a 700 R4 transmission, would like to sell or trade for a 35 to 40 coupe of comparable value. There's also a matching trailer that would go with it for my asking price, or will sell separately. Alright, up next we have this 1923 Ford T-Bucket, listed for $13,500 US in Lee Summit, Missouri. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description: titled as a 1923 Ford with clean title, 383 small block Chevy, B&M supercharger, Krager wheels, no trades. Okay, here's another 1933 Ford Roadster, listed for $30,000 US in Waterford, Wisconsin. From the seller's description: factory 533 hot rod, 347 stroker motor, power glide with trans brake, Willwood brakes, billet wheels, have hood, 30,000 firm, no trades. Alright, here we have a 2021 Chevy C8 Corvette with a body kit, listed for $79,500 US in Phoenix, Arizona. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description: 34,000 miles, Liberty Walk wide body kit, Army Tricks exhaust. Alright, bringing up the rear for anyone that may be looking for a project. Here we have a Laser 917 kit car body, listed for $3,000 US in Ogden, Indiana. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description: 917 Laser kit car body in good shape. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.